आ जाओ।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
तो पतले पतले
अस्सलाम
पतले
वालेकुम माय
पतले
brothers
पतले
and
लड़के जल्दी से उठ के आ जाते हैं। तुम कामरान मियाँ, तुम्हें अपने आप उठाते उठाते देर लग जाती है वजन के लिहाज से। अच्छा हाँ।
uh, Assalamu alaikum, my beloved Hazur.
वालेकुम सलाम।
My name is Kamran Tayyib Arshad. Hazur, I know that a person is affected by their friends and the people around them. So my question is, what qualities should we look for in our friends?
Speak slowly, repeat it again.
Hazur, I know that a person is affected by their friends and the people around them. So my question is, what qualities should we look for in our friends and the people we surround ourselves with?
You see, you should always try to find that a friend should be faithful, sincere, and have a belief in Allah Ta'ala, good believer, whatever religion he holds, but he should be a good believer. He should not be atheist. Okay. And he should be sincere, and he should have good character. He should have sympathy for others, right? And since you are a student, he should be good in studies.
Okay.
Okay? If these things are present in your friend, then he is a good friend.
Yep. Okay. Jazakallah.
He should also see that he should not deceive you, whatever the conditions are. He should always be sincere with you.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. आ जाओ।